Okay, so here we are at the Gardyn Home 4.0 GRYDN Gardyn Home 4.0. I have the chef's fave. So this is the way it looks. It is 2 feet wide and 5.4 feet tall. And I'm going to go through real quick and show you. So what I did was I put labels on here just because as it blooms and grows, you can see it did its first watering. And that's it. And this is cilantro. I did a whole video, but it didn't work out anyway. So here we are. This is it comes with the chef's fave, comes with 30 plants. And this is green. And this is celery. And this is purple cabrulli. And this is collard greens. Yes. We have thyme. Yes. And the thing that I love about this is that you get to make your garden, and if it doesn't bloom in 28 days, it will, on the 29th day, they will replace it. So there's my sunflower. And those who know me know sunflower is my favorite flower. There's some kale. There's another sunflower. There's a bunching onion. Here is lemon balm. So yes, you would definitely see that lemon balm if it comes through okay in the bath time rituals video, as well as with tea. Here is red tassoi. Here is green Solanova. Here is mini cauliflower. Here is more kale. Here is thyme. Here is more bunching onion. Here is yellow Swift's chard. So I'm going to be using this kind of as a journal just to track the growth and progress. Here is perpetual spinach. Here is cauliflower again. Here is Tokyo Burkana. So I am so excited to be able to taste some of these varieties of salads. Here is bull's blood. This is a beet. This is going to be a beet. Sweet Thai basil. So there's a variation of basil. Green bok choy. Purple kabori. We did that one already. That's the second one. Red sorrel. So it's going to be a very colorful salads going on here. And then another bunching onion. And down here, I have a water pitcher. I have my speaker for my music. And in here, let me just show you. If you get this, be sure you open it carefully. It comes with this Gardyn Home kit. It also comes with a little spoon. And these small little pieces are in the upper portion packaging. You want to be sure that you don't throw the packaging out without checking for these small pieces. And then the plant food. And Kelby, the app, will send you a message when all that is ready. So once I did the unboxing, I want to show you one more thing. So here I set this space up, and I kind of prayed in this space and gave her a name, Queen Green. And then here is her music playlist, Queen Green's Bloom and Thrive playlist. So we got Fresh Start Energy, Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles, Sunshine and Stillness, Banana Pancakes by Jack Johnson, Light and Love, Put Your Records On by Corinne Bailey Rae, Nature's Lullaby, Bloom by the Paper Kites, Growing Strong, Rise Up by Andra Day, Earthy Elegant, Cherry Wine Live by Hosier, Herb Garden Hype, Lovely Day by Bill Withers, Herbal Healing, Golden Hour by Kive, JVKE, Morning Mist, Sunflower by Post Malone, Sway Lee, Sunset Serenity, Don't Worry, Be Happy by Bobby McFerrin, Peaceful Bloom, Waitlist by Marconi Union, Royal Wrap Up, What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. And then, of course, we have Dappy Keys, Hurricane, William Augusto. So this is a playlist that I have put together for this journey that I'm going on garden. I've always had, I call myself have a black thumb. So I am on a new journey of planting, coordinating that with bath time rituals. So we got goodness for the soul and goodness for the body that's coming your way. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll be providing weekly updates. I plan to use these greens and vegetables and flowers and herbs in smoothies, in green juice, and in salads. So you'll see some recipes from that and some inspirational quotes, because I do talk and pray over my plants. So if you're interested in watching that, make sure you stay tuned. Until the next one, peace and blessings.